students, this video tutorial is basically to guide you regarding how to join the Zoom live classes from tomorrow onwards. Till now what you have been doing is you have been getting the weekly schedule of classes along with your respective online class meeting ID and password which you were using to join the Zoom classroom or the live online classroom. But that process is going to change a little bit from tomorrow onwards, which I am going to show in this video right now. So basically what you do is when you open the student online portal like you do regularly. So this is the student online portal of DPS Siliguri. Similarly, you have an online portal for DPS Phulbari also. So this is, you can directly access this page by typing dpssiliguri.org or dpsphulbari.org in case of Phulbari, or in the main school website also there is a tab of join online classes or the student online portal, which you can click and directly come to this page. So you all know how to access this page, and then you go to the student login like you normally do every day and log in using your ID and password. So your ID, as you all know, is your admission number, and the password is generally your date of birth if you have not changed the password later. So once you log in, you have this dashboard page which you all are aware of, where your name and your details are mentioned, and you have been using this dashboard page till now to access your daily homeworks, your assignments, your previous videos which we have been posting since the beginning of this academic session. And till last week what you were doing was you are going to the Zoom online classes button, and when you clicked on that button, it opened a link which from where you can download the PDF file which had all the details of when the class is and what time, what date, which subject, and the respective meeting ID and password. But that is going to change a little bit from tomorrow, that is from 29th June onwards. The way you are going to join your live classes will be when you open the dashboard page and you access your online portal and open the dashboard page. When you go to the online Zoom classes, you click on this, you will see this kind of a pop-up window where you will see there is a serial number, the date, day, time of the class, name of the teacher, subject, and the link. So basically it means the class number 1 is the date. So today 28 June is a demo for you, so that's why it's showing 28. For your case it will show the actual date when you have the classes, and the date and what day it is. So today 28th is Sunday, means Sunday. If it is 29th, it will say Monday. Say 1st July is Wednesday, it will show so and so forth. Then the time, that is the class starts at 9:30. It's a 1 hour class. The class gets over at 10:30. It is mentioned over here. The name of the teacher is mentioned over here, and then the subject, what is the subject that you have. And then at the last column there is a title called link, where there is something written as join link. So it's a join class, it's a hyperlink. So in your case, from tomorrow you just have to open this pop-up and click on join class. Once you click on join class, it will automatically open the Zoom room for you. So you do not have to open Zoom separately and punch in your email ID, or rather your meeting ID, as well as the password as such. In case of those who are going to use mobile phones, you will probably have a view like this, which is basically going to look like this. So again you go and you open your student online portal, and you will have a view like this, and you go to the student login, you give your login ID and password, log into the dashboard page, you will get a view like this, and you go to the online Zoom classes, you click on it. Again you will have that same way, you will have the pop-up. Here you probably have to, since the screen size is smaller, you might have to scroll. You will see the number, serial number, date, the day, the time of the class, the name of the teacher, the subject of the class, and the join class link. So once you click on join class link, it will directly open your Zoom app on your phone. So please ensure that you have the Zoom app installed, which you all already have in your mobile phones. If you're using your mobile phone, the moment you click on the join class, your Zoom app will open and you will directly enter that particular classroom. If you're using a laptop or desktop, it will open a dialog box where it will say that whether you want to join the class. If you say yes, it will directly open the Zoom app on your laptop or desktop. That's it. So that's the only difference it is. So from tomorrow onwards, as I said, you would have received the weekly schedule of classes on your app, as well as it is there on your student online portal as well. So you can access it from there. You know which class you have on which day, and referring to that, you can come to the online portal and join the live classes using this particular link. And please ensure that you join the class which is then on that, because tomorrow is Monday morning 10 o'clock you have the class. You click on that link only. If you click on any other link, it will not open the class. So please check the time and the day and the date and the subject you can see, and then you can join the class. If you have any questions regarding this, you can please mail us back to the school on the email ID which is mentioned there on the website.